What do we got for you today? Today we're going to do a grilled cheeseburger with sauteed onions and some bacon. This ought to be pretty good. You don't want to miss this one. Okay? So, welcome to Randy's Griddle. And first things first, there is 5 things that you can do for us. Number 1, please hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything. Share us with your friends. Give us a thumbs up if you like what you see, and please leave a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. All right, let's check out our ingredients. We got some burger patties, or 80-20 burgers. We got some good American white cheese. We got some Texas toast. We got some good bacon. Nice fresh onions. We're gonna make sauteed onions and of course butter. Okay, so let's get the griddle fired up and we'll start get this stuff going. Okay, so I left this burner off and I'll get the onions going on this side. So we need a little bit of butter down. Okay. Let's get these onions frying up. Okay, so while they're cooking, we'll put a little bit of oil down, get these burgers started. Put a little salt and pepper on them. Got to get some good sizzling going on. Okay, so while we're getting that to cook, we will get our bread buttered up. This is going to be pretty fantastic. There's one done. Two. And 3. Okay, so let's get this stuff cooking. It won't take too awful long. All right, let me get this closer and I'll be back. Okay, so our burgers are done and our onions done. Let's get to building these sandwiches. Okay, so I got my buttered bread. I'm gonna put the first one down. First half's gonna go down. And let's put some cheese on there. Then we're gonna go with a nice burger. A little bit of onion on top. Couple pieces of bacon. Ooh, this is gonna be good. Then we'll go with another slice of cheese. And we'll put the top on there. Buttered side up. Nice. Now, here's the tough part. We gotta give her a good flip. A little press. Ah, no, I lost a piece of bacon. Let that cook for a minute. We're going to get ready to try these. Okay, I think you're about ready to come off. Just about ready to come. Okay. This ought to be good. Look at that. Okay. Cheese is all nice and melted. Tastes like a grilled cheese with something special on the inside. That is good. Okay. This was a very simple dinner to make. Very tasty. Only one thing left to say. Hey, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time here on Randy's Griddle. Oh, good dinner.